Are you tired of constantly changing batteries in your Blink outdoor cameras? Today, I'm reviewing the Rhorawill Solar Panel for Blink cameras. This panel is designed specifically for Blink Outdoor 2K+, 4th Gen, 3rd Gen, XT3, and XT2 XT models. It comes with both USB-C and micro USB cables, so it fits almost all Blink cameras. The standout feature is the built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. This means even when the sun isn't shining, your camera stays powered. The panel itself is monocrystalline silicon with a conversion rate of up to 22%. In bright sunlight, it outputs 5 volts and over 1A, charging your camera in just a few hours. But the real magic is the continuous trickle charge, so your camera never runs out of juice. Installation is a breeze. The package includes a screwdriver and mounting kit, so you can attach it to a wall, fence, or eave. The bracket is adjustable, letting you angle the panel for maximum sun exposure. It took me less than 10 minutes to set up. Weatherproofing is IP65, meaning it's dust tight and can handle rain, snow, and heat. I tested it during a heavy downpour and it worked perfectly. The operating range is 13 degrees to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's fine in most climates. One thing to note, this panel only works with Blink cameras that have USB-C or micro USB ports. It won't work with older models that use proprietary connectors. Also, the cable is about 10 feet long, which is sufficient for most setups. In my month-long test, my Blink Outdoor 4 stayed at 100% battery the entire time. No more battery anxiety. The camera's night vision and motion detection were unaffected. Overall, the Rhorawill Solar Panel is a solid investment for any Blink camera owner. It's affordable, easy to install, and reliable. If you want to go truly wire-free and never worry about batteries again, this is the solution. Pros: built-in battery, dual cable compatibility, easy install, weatherproof. Cons: only for Blink cameras with USB port, cable could be longer. I highly recommend this product. Link in the description.